All right, what else can I put in here? Of course, I can put tables in here. I can put Google Draw in here. So I can actually bring in a Google Draw, something I've created in Google Draw, and put it right inside of my document. It actually kind of keeps it to scale within the document. I can add charts to my document. Date is new. I'm not so sure what this one is. So we're going to click on it. Oh, it just puts the date on the document for you. Now that's pretty nice. Okay, that's very nice. Headers and footers, of course, breaks, and you can actually insert links as well into your document. I'm gonna do this. And the reason I'm writing this, hello, how are you? Because I am going to use something. I'm going to use one of the tools that we have in here. And one of the tools that we have in here is the translate tool. So let's talk about the translate tool for just a second. So I have parents who don't speak English. I don't speak Spanish, or I don't speak Japanese. I don't speak the language that the parents of one of my students speaks. Um, there's a barrier. We can't communicate. We can't talk about their child. So to get around that, I could write something out in Google Docs, and I can translate the document. And I can choose a different language. Choose any of these languages. I'm going to go ahead and choose Chinese because I think that's an interesting language to translate it into. And I click translate. Now what it's doing is, there it is. It created a new document for me called copy, and it translated it into Chinese for me. Now that's pretty awesome that it can do that. The translation is very, very good. It used to be we translate very literal, but the AI that Google now has, the translation is pretty solid. So you don't have to worry so much about, is it going to get it just right? It may not be completely perfect, but it is getting better day by day because it is learning. So there we have it in Chinese. Now that barrier between the parents and myself completely cut off. We can actually speak using Google documents to talk to one another about their child. Barrier gone.